Hi students, today I am going to see this page number in 8th standard 18. The noun they have given separately, they are given a topic and the types of nouns they are given, okay? Because I think in the previous video we are not seen this, okay? So what is a noun? Already you know, I told you name of all the things in the world. All the things in the world, they have a name. Noun is a word used as the name of a person, place, things, animals, or an idea. Okay? So I told you everything in this world there has a name. So types of noun in it. Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, material noun. Okay, from this word itself you can understand that meaning because you are 8th standard students, you know, because you have started to study, learn this from the 3rd standard, 4th standard. Proper noun, common, proper means you know a proper, common noun, you know this what is you have seen in the common noun. Common, you know, a common things that collective, you know, number of more than one or two or more than that. Okay, one more than one is we get. Then abstract now, abstract noun. So which we can in clear cut we can't say, but we can say material no, name of a material be there. So now first we are going to see the proper noun. What is proper noun? Is the name of a particular person or a place. So proper, a proper thing, it has a proper name. So example, Hari, Akbar, Stephen, Kyle, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India, and what things also. Yeah, things they are not given here. Only name of the state and country and capital they are given a name of person. Things also have a name particular. Okay, that is called as proper noun. Now we are coming to common. The word, the meaning of the word itself, you can understand it. Common is a name, common noun is a name given in common to every person or thing in the same class or the same kind. What is that you want to understand? Same class or kind. Boy, you know, many boys will be there. Girl, many girls are there. Woman, many women are there. Tree, many trees are there. Animal, many different kinds of animals are there. School, many schools are there. Student, many students are there. Teacher, male teacher, female teacher, many teachers are. So they are just what? Many are there and they are common. They'll come in one, in common. Teacher, a group of people will be there. Boy, a group of people. So common. That is called as common noun. What is common noun? A common is a name given in common to every person or thing in the same class or kind. Third, we have collective noun. Collective means of a collection. So a collection we are talking about, a collection you are talking about as one. That is called collective noun. A collective noun is the name of a person or a collective noun is the name of a number of persons or things taken together. Example, police. Police means not a one person. Police. Army. Army is not one person, it's more than one. So there will be 10, 15, 20, 30 or 1,000 lakh. That army. Crowd. You know, crowd means we can't count. That's why we'll say crowd, we'll say. People. That also is collective now. Team. You know, cricket team have different numbers. Football team, all different badminton, all the team have different numbers in a nation that you know. Family, in your family is there, my family is there. A different kind of family. These words are called as collective nouns, okay? The next one, we are going to abstract noun. The abstract noun you want to understand very clearly because we can't just what, touch it. Okay, we can't touch it. We can only feel it because you are happy means, can you show the happy? Can you show happy? No. You can show the happiness by your action only, but you can't show the happiness. Okay? These kinds of just words as kindness, you can't show it because by your action only you can express it. Okay? Honesty like that. So, abstract noun is usually the name of a quality, action or state. Okay? Action. The example they are given, see, quality, kindness, honesty. Okay, in quality what will come? In quality, kindness, honesty. You can't show it. By your action only you can do it. Action, laughter. Okay, laughter. Sirippu in Tamil, Tamil son and the Sirippu. Okay? சிரிக்க தான் முடியும், சிரிப்பை காட்ட முடியாது. Okay, that's the thing. Hatred, வெறுப்பு, வெறுப்பு கை காட்ட முடியாது, உன்னோடைய ஆக்ஷனில் தான் காட்ட முடியும். Okay, that's the thing. That is action. State, youth. State, what is it? They are given youth, valibam. Okay? So like that, words, many words you can give. Next one is material noun. So material, name of a material, iron, all things in a material noun. So see, material noun is the name of a raw material of a product. Gold, silver, fiber, diamond, wood, okay, clay, cotton. Sometimes the people, they'll say it's a proper noun. You can't say it's wrong because it's a name of a just what material. Okay, it's a gold. So it will come in proper noun also. But separately they are given in modern English they are given it as a material noun. So you can say material noun. Okay, don't think that if you are saying gold is a proper noun, don't say it's wrong, because they'll say the example for you as the explanation they'll give you, it's a proper name of a material, so it'll come under the category of proper noun. So don't say it wrong. But you say that they have given a separate title for it, and that topic is called as material noun. It come under it, you can say. Okay, so material noun is the name of raw materials of a product. Example: gold, silver, fiber, diamond, wood, cotton, clay. Now, just what the book they are given, see, pick out the words list. So, David, what is that? Proper noun. Madurai, proper noun. Parrot, name of a bird, proper noun. Happiness, you can show, only you can't. You can show, okay, that is abstract noun. Book, it's a common noun. Many books are there, common noun, you can come. Thought, you can't show, it's a abstract noun. A green, it's a name of a color, proper noun. Tiger, it's name of a animal, proper noun. Trichy, name of a city, proper noun. Computer, it's name of a thing, proper noun. Narayan, name of a person, proper noun. Fan, it's name of a thing, proper noun. Sister, it's common noun. Kalam, name of a person, proper noun. Woman, it's a common noun. Pencil, it's a proper noun. Bharati, name of a person, proper noun. Problem, you want to very carefully, you want to say abstract noun. Okay, brother, it's common noun. Mumbai, proper noun. Swan, proper noun. Elephant, name of any birds, name of a bird, swan. Name of a animal, proper noun. Vijay, name of a person. Solution, name of a, not name of anything, you can't show it. So solution, it come under the abstract noun. Okay, success, abstract noun. School, it will come in common noun. Different schools are there, private schools are there, government schools are there, different names. So it's common. Convent, it's a particular thing. It also it's common noun. It will come. Because convents are many convents are there, because run by the Christian brothers and sisters are called as what is it, convent. Okay, thank you, student.